DIY Dave here from UglyDeck.com, and I'm here with homeowner John, who built his own deck using the DIY Assist program. Why UglyDeck.com?
I like the idea of having the coaching if I needed it. I hadn't built a deck before. Just the simplicity of getting all the materials from one place, and it was great. It was very easy to work with you guys. Very happy with the results.
What were you looking for in a maintenance-free deck?
Yes, so our previous home, we had a deck that was probably 2 to 3 times the size, and it was all natural wood. And it was a major pain to power wash it every year and restain it, and I didn't want anything to do with that. So I did some price comparisons and talked to some other lumber yards, and I was really surprised that UglyDeck was very competitive. And it was nice to have it all in one bundle and deal with you guys, and I saved thousands by doing it myself. I know that.
Having that turnkey package where from the screws to the hangers to every board, everything's included, and then you have someone that you can call if something's not right or you don't quite understand it is really our key to the program. Well, thank you very much.
You bet.
Beautiful job on your deck.
Thank you very much. I get a lot of compliments from neighbors, and it was great working with you guys. I really appreciate it. It's really a smooth process.